In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional profile picture using your brand logo. Your brand image is really important and you want to always look professional. If you choose not to have a photograph for your profile picture, a brand logo can be a really great alternative. I needed to create a profile picture recently and I thought that this would be the perfect thing to create a video on. So I took my brand logo and created a really professional profile picture in Canva in just a couple of minutes. Let me show you how I did it.
Okay, so we're going to go straight into Canva. We are going to start with a blank logo document. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go down to uploads and you are going to upload a file. You download your logo with a transparent background that you've already made. If you need help creating a logo, do let me know. And then that one we're going to enlarge slightly, so you don't want to fill up the entire space. You want a good amount of white space around it. Use the guide so that that is then centered. Okay, so what we've done now is I've got our logo there. You might want to play around with the background color a little bit because it does read slightly differently in profile pictures. So I'm going to just have a really subtle sage background there just to offset, because that is a complementary, green is a complementary color to red, and that will then help the red shine bright, and that's what I'm wanting as a feature. All right, so then we go over to share, download, page 1, download, make sure nothing else is ticked, and download there. We will take ourselves over to a new page where we will go upload file, and that will now be in your download folder, where we'll open that up, insert it in there. And then what I've done is I've created a template where you'll be able to test out what it looks like. So that's what it will look like, so you can make sure that it fits. You might need to just expand it a little bit if you'd like to. Just make sure it fills the space but is not then being cut off. Use the guides to help you for where you'd like it placed. We'll see. And I will put the link for the templates down below in the description if you would like to use this in Canva, just to use it as a test model before you upload it. Okay, so what I'm going to do then is I am going to use my file. I'm going to go over to my YouTube channel, and under profile in my studio, I'm going to upload my new brand logo. That looks great. And I'm going to click on done. There it is. Our really smart new logo, nicely branded and matches the name there. So that creates a lovely professional logo for anyone who's new here and wants to check out my channel. Great, job done.
So there you have it. We have turned our company logo into a profile picture really neatly and effectively, super quick using Canva. Thank you for following along. Now you know how to create a professional profile picture using your brand logo. If you are a new business owner and you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe, because we've got lots more like this that will be really useful for your business.